Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new around here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate you guys being here. Welcome if you are new. My name is Shalise. I love investing and I'm documenting my family of five's journey to financial independence, financial freedom. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe and leave me a comment down below for the algorithm, right? So that we can grow this page to more people. And if you are a returning subscriber, you already know. Thank you. So I'm going to give you an update on my favorite monthly dividend ETF and my favorite monthly dividend stock. If you've been with me for a while, let's say it together on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. JEPI Realty Income. Okay, so that is my favorite dividend stock and ETF. Just to say it again, my favorite monthly paying dividend ETF is JEPI, and my favorite monthly paying stock is Realty Income. I love these two so much. I've done countless videos on them. And so I wanted to give you guys our update. Now, I know there are many other monthly paying dividend ETFs and many other monthly paying dividend stocks. But remember, personal finance is personal. This is our journey, and this is something we feel comfortable putting our money in. You're going to see screenshots. I have my little chalkboard white wall over here. You're going to see screenshots soon. So we actually put our money in these positions. So it's not our plan or goal to own every single monthly paying dividend stock and every single monthly paying dividend ETF, because it will be stretched too thin. There's over 60 monthly dividend paying stocks alone. So that'd be too much for us. We're not trying to invest in everything, though I do appreciate you guys so much. And I have a video that may be my next video where I'll share with you what's on my dividend watch list, because a lot of you gave me some really good ideas and I have it on that watch list in that video. So if you want to know like what we're looking at next, that's the video to stay tuned for. I think it's the next one after this. Okay. So let's start with, I'm looking at my laptop. You're going to see screenshots up here. We can follow along together. So we're going to do my favorite monthly paying dividend stock first, and that's Realty Income. I'm clicking here. So we currently have 200 shares, and I'm reviewing just the Interactive Brokers portfolio. Now my husband and I have Realty Income over in Robinhood, and I think is it at 200 shares now? I will do a Robinhood portfolio update because we did put bonus money over there, 75 or 200, I don't remember, 135, but it'll be up on your screen. But today's video is just in one of our investment accounts, okay? So we have 200 shares in Realty Income over here. The market value is about $12,495. So as of the recording of this video, the market is down. I think there's like some issues with the debt ceiling. Congress is trying to get things together that, for that. So the market is kind of down a little bit, and I think some inflation data is supposed to come out this week. So that's why. But I specifically love to buy when the market is red. I love to buy when there's a lot of fear. Everybody's scared right now. But if you are an investor, this is the time where you can pick up good companies and funds at a discount. Now, Realty Income, I really love. I've done many videos talking about Realty Income, but I love them because they are a REIT, which is a real estate investment trust. These are companies that buy commercial real estate. Well, this is for commercial real estate, but there's REITs that specialize in mortgages. There's REITs that specializes in industrial properties, but it's just like property, real estate, physical real estate. So I love Realty Income because many of the Targets and Dollar Trees and Walmarts we all go into are owned by Realty Income, not by actual Target. Target pays rent to companies like Realty Income, and Realty Income has been around since the 1960s, been traded publicly on the stock market since the early 1990s, and they are known as the monthly dividend company. Like, that's their trademark, the monthly dividend company. So you know what? I love it. They're reliable. I like the management. And again, longevity is key here. So I really do like it. We are down in this position. Again, being transparent because the market is down. And keep in mind, we buy Realty Income every single paycheck. So the market has been down. I mean, it's rebounding a bit, but since the beginning of 2020, the market has been like on a down tear. And you can go back through my videos. I've been doing these portfolio updates and buying every single paycheck. So we're dollar cost averaging down, but that means our average cost is actually pretty good. So we're down about $517 or so. The market is open. So what you see and what I see maybe vary by a few dollars, but not too much. But but about 517, 16 bucks. But our total cost basis, like how much we actually invested, was about 13,000. So we're down about 3.9 something percent, which is not too bad considering, we could be down much more. But the dividend that we get every single month that we've been earning for the past 7, 8, 9 months actually is more than what we're down. So, I view it as that. So our goal for long-term goal is about 500 shares, but for this year, I think we want to try to do 250 because we want to build up some of our other share sizes. You guys know I'm always talking about building up your share sizes. There's no way we could have gotten to 200 shares if we didn't start with 1 share. And even fractional share investing, where you can buy just a piece of a share, like a half a share, a quarter of a share, $10 worth of a share. But it's very, very important to at least invest something. Not financial advice, but you see the chaos in the economy. You want to know who's on the sidelines chilling? All the rich folks. And you know what the rich folks have money in? Like Warren Buffett, he just had the Berkshire meeting this past weekend. Investing, okay? So again, when you do it the right way, not trading, but investing, it always works out in the end, okay? So yeah, our short-term goal for this year is 250, so we're almost there. And then while we're working towards building up that, we're going to build up some of our other shares. So let's move on to JEPI. I'm just clicking my screen here. And we have about 500.21 shares. But you can see we are down only 1.38%. So us buying and DCAing has been really, really good. But I think, and I told you guys this, our goal was 500 shares. And I think we're going to continue to pause it. I know I told you, what was this, back in March, we had paused for that entire month. I think we're going to continue to pause just for the time being while we build up like JEPQ and put more into VTI and Amazon and Tesla, build more of those up.
Hi guys, Editing Shalise right here. So this video was filmed before our bonus hit our investment account. So we were able to meet our share size goals in DGRO and JEPQ and SCHD, which you just saw that video for. So all of the information that I'm saying in this video, we've already achieved thanks to the bonus. And remember, this video was pre-filmed at the beginning of May. So we are actually able to continue our share size building in JEPI. So this is another reason why you should use any extra chunks of money. So go ahead and invest because you can get to your share size goals faster and then continue building those dividends. So let's get back to the video.
Because this is a great milestone. We worked really hard to get to 500 shares. I know many of you are new and you have questions like how much are your portfolios worth? I do those videos every month. So go back. You got to do some homework here. Go back in my playlist. I'm very, very open and you can get all of your questions answered there. We just got our dividend for May. You'll see it up on your screen. So you're getting a sneak peek, right? And so, while we are paused, we're still collecting that dividend. Now we are going to get the dividends dripped, okay? And keep in mind, JEPI is not built for growth. So again, SCHD is growth, VTI is growth, DGRO is growth, which we do have, and we are at 100 shares. I'll share that in our portfolio update. But I love JEPI because JEPI will provide income in down markets, but is not built for growth. I've talked about this in my JEPI versus JEPQ video, and I share that the managers have talked about this. JEPI is not for growth. It's for when the market is doing terrible or the economy is trading sideways and you want to have that growth. So a lot of people in retirement or who are close to retirement or want to retire early like JEPI. So because we have like a 4 or 5 year time span, that's why we want to build this up. But we still love growth as well, like Tesla, Amazon, like I said, VTI. I love SCHD, and we hit a milestone in SCHD. I can't wait to share that with you guys. But we're down about 1.39% in JEPI, which is not bad. Like, I think everybody is getting on board with the JEPI train. I shared an article on my Instagram, so follow me if you're not over there, where a lot of the major funds and stuff is getting into JEPI, like mutual funds and things like that. Because again, those fund managers over at JP Morgan they know what they're doing, right? And JP Morgan is like buying up everything anyway. So, it's like, well, they're managing it, so they know what they're doing. So we really, really do like JEPI, and JEPI has a lot of good companies inside of it. So check out that video of JEPI versus JEPQ if you want to know more about what JEPI is and why it was built and all of that. But again, it's not for growth. So again, don't put all your money in JEPI. Not financial advice, but take it from an investing, I would say, seasoned investor that, you want to make sure you diversify. You want to have growth and stuff, which is why I love VTI and things like that. But I think that's it for today. I think that's it. We're getting, our dividends keep increasing every month. So it tells us that whatever we're doing right. So I want to continue that. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you need help, right? I have many portfolio clients, people who want to get started, don't know how, need some direction. Check out my website, mt1finance.com. If you want to track your dividends, I have a dividend book. Many of my subscribers have the book, so thank you for your support. It's really simple and easy for tracking your dividends and provide you with that motivation that you may need. But again, thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Do you own Realty Income or JEPI? Let me know down below. But until next time, you guys have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.